Okay, guys, last one, I promise. So, one more milk paint experiment. I still have some color left. I want to use it up. And I do have a small canvas. I might even have enough to do 2 of these. Let me grab the other one. So today you'll get a twofer. How's that? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mix up 2 cups. I did grab this with my dirty hands, so it's not a flaw. Just a touch of white, because we had too much at the end last time. This is Lucas Indigo. Such a pretty color. And this is Folk Art Peridot. This is Lucas Gold Bronze. Just a touch of white. So I see it sinks. I'm going to use them up. I'm just hoping we have enough contrast in this, since I'm using them up. Alright, so let's go with the gold bronze. I didn't really want to do any tiles. Okay, let's do a touch of white. I might have to put a little bit of that on the canvas to get it to move. Sorry. I'm coming off my sickness slowly. Not fast enough for me. Alright. I think I'll do a little touch of white at the end here. Okay, so let me just put a dollop there so I know I have enough paint. There we go. Alright, I'm going to straight pour these. Okay, interesting. And I'm going to go ahead and tilt this one first. I love that blue. I'm going to lose it. Be ever so gentle. I'm going to help it over because I don't want to lose that blue. I have to come back down. This one's going to be cool. I'm going to take that gob of white off there like that. This paint is fun to play with for sure. The effects that you get are crazy. It's just paint, right? So these two will kind of go together. Usually when I pour 2 cups, they all come out different. Let me just touch that over there. Go. Doesn't want to go. Okay. Alright, so let me torch these. And then we're going to let them sit because this one's already going crazy. So all I'm doing is popping air bubbles. Alright, let's let these set 10 minutes and we'll see what we get. Okay, I'm back. Oh my goodness. That really took over, didn't it? I think it's really cool. This metallic peridot and the gold bronze is going to be amazing when it's dry. I just hope that they don't crack. So, I will show these Monday night and we'll see if they cracked. But even if they do, we can still probably play with them somehow and fix them because the colors are just beautiful. So, check out all the links below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button right there, doink, and hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I upload a new video, which is usually daily. And also, check out our group on Facebook, The Parage Posse, my art page, Christina Welch Art. Check me out on Instagram, C Welch Art as well. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies, and they do have the milk paint. Also, Etsy for our jewelry. We make beautiful jewelry off our skins. And also Redbubble for prints, Teespring for merch, Stone Coat, Art Coat, Resin Code is below if you want to get into resin. It's just so much down there. But thanks so much for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Ooh, bye now.